Crackers. Here, the crackers.
Wait a minute. Wait 1 minute.
Those not hot. I want.
Hi everyone, I'm Darlene and welcome back to Super at 60. You know how many times you guys have asked me, have you guys moved yet? Have you found your new home? Well, look where I am. Look at my beautiful new kitchen. Isn't it gorgeous? No, it's not mine. I'm sorry, but it's not mine. We're still looking. And I promised you a video on that, and I will get to that. But I am in a very special house today, a very special kitchen, and I'm gonna show you all of it because it's so pretty. But this kitchen belongs to my son Joey and my daughter-in-law Sonia. And we are down here visiting our new baby Caleb and our precious little 2-year-old Micah, big brother. And we are having the time of our life, as you who have grandchildren must know. It is just so, there's nothing more special than your grandbabies. And so when you get to be with them, it's mighty special. So Sonia said, hey, you wanna do a Super 60 in my kitchen? And I took one look at this kitchen and I said, are you kidding me? Because you guys know my kitchen, it's about this big. So we're gonna do a couple little recipes for you, just some fun, snacky ideas. Joey and Sonia are gonna host tonight in their home a young adults Bible study that they have at their church, and they meet in homes during the week. So they're all meeting here tonight, so we thought, well, let's do some snacks and we'll put them out on this beautiful countertop here, and they'll just have a wonderful time entertaining their special friends. So that's what we're gonna do, and hang in there with me because these recipes really are easy. They are delicious. You can make them anytime. They're just so simple. And actually, these are 2 recipes that Sonia and Joey both asked me to bring down here. And over in the corner over there, earlier this morning, I started sourdough bread. So maybe I'll show you a stretch and fold or 2 while I'm here as well. And so I think we'll just get started. And I think Sonia's gonna make a guest appearance on my show today. I'll get her busy doing something. All right, so let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna make is a pineapple cream cheese ball or dip. It used to be, I got it when it used to be a ball, like a cheese ball, but I don't do cheese balls anymore because I think they just get messy when you go in there with the knives and stuff. So I make it in a bowl now. So I'm going to make a cheese ball in a bowl. All right, this particular hors d'oeuvre or cheese ball really only has 3 ingredients, 3 basic ingredients. And the first is an 8-ounce block of nice soft cream cheese. Now, if you want to make it for a large crowd, you can double everything. Okay, so you'd have 2 sticks of 2 8-ounce bricks of softened cream cheese. But today, just 1. So just go ahead and put it in your mixer. You can use a stand mixer if you want, and just whip it good. All right, it's looking very, very good. So just take your spatula and just, you know, very often when you work with these KitchenAid mixers, you have to scrape down. And that's fine. That's just what I'm going to do right now. All right. I think I said before that there were 3 ingredients. There's actually 4 ingredients because I forgot I top it with some chopped nuts. So, all right. These are my pineapples, and this is what we're going to add next. These are crushed pineapples. Just drain them as best you can. Even if there's just, you know, a little bit of juice left on the bottom, that is perfectly fine. I'm not sure I'm going to use this whole can because I'm only using 1 block. Usually when I make this, I do make the double ingredients, the double recipe. So we'll just see it and then you can taste it. It's just that simple. If you want it a little sweeter, you add a little bit more. But right now I'm just kind of using half of a large can of the crushed pineapple. All right, let's go ahead and spin that around a little bit. All right. Okay, while the cream cheese and the crushed pineapple are whipping away, I'm just going to go ahead and cut up an onion. Use with 1 brick of cream cheese, like I'm using about a half of a medium onion. If you really like onion, as you can see, you can do anything you want here. If you are a real onion lover, use the whole onion. And yes, these are my real fingernails. I know some of you were thinking that. My goodness, look at those long fingernails. They are just so long right now. And I was telling Sonia the other day, this is the first time they've been all long at the same time. So I just decided I would have some fun and put on some fresh pink springtime nail polish and just have fun till they break, because they will eventually. All right, chop this onion up really, really well, because you don't want big chunks in there, just little tiny pieces. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, and then we'll toss it right into our dip. So let's go ahead and put in the rest of the ingredients. There's my chopped onion. And we're pretty much done, believe it or not. If you need a dip and you need it really fast and really yummy, this is the one you want. All right, let's whip that up too. You could actually put the onions, if you had them chopped up already, you could put them in the same time you put the pineapple in, and that'll be just fine. All right, just a quick mix. You don't have to kill it. And that is it. All right. Let's go back over to the bowl that I'm going to put it in. Such a pretty bowl. Sonia has such beautiful stuff. All right, and the last thing you have to do, and this, I just put it in this pretty bowl. I told you it was a pretty bowl. And just smooth the top off nice, just like that. I mean, it's just so easy. I keep saying easy because it can't be any easier. And I have some pecans here. You can use walnuts if you want. I've used walnuts many times. But since I have pecans, I'm going to go ahead and use these. If you want to, you can toast these first. And generally, most of the time, excuse me, I forgot my knife. You can toast these in the toaster, like if you have a toaster oven, or just in a cast iron pan on top of your stove. Just with no oil, don't put anything in them, just put them right in the pan. I don't know, about 7 to 12 minutes. They'll get a nice little brown to them. They're just so much better. But today, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it this way, and I've done it this way many times. It's still yummy. And just cut up the pieces as small as you can. If you wanna use a special nut chopper, you can do that too. But a knife works. A really good knife works just as fine. All right, just scoop them up. And that was just a handful of nuts. It wasn't very much. And we're just gonna sprinkle them right over the top, just like that. You wanna kind of cover the dip as best you can. If you want to put some more nuts in here, you can, but I think this is plenty. And there you have it, pineapple, cream cheese, onion dip. All right, the next thing we're going to make is one of the all-time favorite family feasts in our house. It is called pepperoni bread. Pepperoni bread, you may have had it before, maybe you even make it. A lot of times when I make my own yeast bread and I make it from that, but today I wanted to make, I threw it out, didn't I? Can you give me one of the wrappers? I want to show you exactly what I'm using today. Yeah, that's great. But it's one of those Pillsbury pizza crust. That's all it is. You can buy it right in the grocery store, and it makes the most delicious pepperoni bread. It is so good and so quick. So again, it's a quick snack for when you're having company, and Sonia and Joey, of course, are having their friends over tonight for their Bible study, and they wanted to have some snacks. So, hey, Super 60 just happened to be in the house, so I have to make them. So let me put you down here a little bit, and I'm going to show you how I put these quick pepperoni breads together, and you are going to absolutely love these. And that cheese dip, just wait till you taste it. All right, here we go. All I'm going to do is unroll them. I mean, it's just that easy, guys. It's just that easy. Just unroll them all the way on this nice, beautiful sheet pan. This is the biggest sheet pan I've ever seen, and it's beautiful. Just stretch it. If you want to roll it out a little bit with a rolling pin, that is perfectly fine. You can do that, but there's really no need for it. Just like that is what you want to do. All right, and then you take a little bit of mozzarella cheese, just shredded mozzarella. You know, it's always better when you shred it yourself, but I was in a hurry, so I just do what a lot of us do. You know, we go for the convenience and just put it all over, just as though you were making a pizza. Okay. I use almost the whole bag, and this is an 8-ounce bag, so, you know, 1 cup of shredded cheese. Of course, 1 cup of shredded cheese. If you're shredding it yourself, it'll make more than a cup, of course. But maybe, I'm not sure I'm going to use it all. Maybe not. All right, there we go. And just spread it out. So really, if you have friends stop by for like the last minute and you want to make something special, just keep these ingredients in your house. The pepperonis last forever. The cheeses in the bags, they last forever. Actually, the block cheese lasts forever. And pepperonis, you can keep them down in your freezer for a very long time. So, all right, and now I'm gonna take my pepperonis, and all I'm gonna do, I'm just like making a pizza. And you just take them and spread them all over. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this one up. And then the next, I'm gonna make another one. And in my next pepperoni bread, stay tuned, because I have a very special guest that's gonna help me out a little bit. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and roll it out. I've got the cheese going, I've got the pepperoni on here, and nothing else. You don't have to put anything else. If you wanna add some green pepper and some chopped up mushrooms, my goodness, go for it. It's just have fun. But pepperoni bread is called pepperoni bread because it's just pepperoni and cheese, that's all. And that's the way we do it. Hey, Micah Moo, are you gonna be my helper?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, when you get to the edge, the best thing to do to keep all the goodies in there, stretch it just a little bit and make it go over, just like that. Just give it a little pinch, and it'll all stay in there. And you know what? The best part of pepperoni bread when it bakes is when some of the cheese oozes out on the side. It's all crispy and yummy. I always claim that part for myself. That's the cook's treat. That's what I call it. All right, punch this side in. All right, and there, it is done. Isn't it beautiful? It's so pretty. I'm gonna put it right here on the sheet. And now we're gonna do another one. All right, here's my very special helper. This is Micah, otherwise known as Micah Moo. Right? Are you my Micah Moo?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, you're gonna help Oma make some pepperoni breads?
Yeah.
All right. Oma already made a beautiful one here, didn't I?
Yeah.
I know. I don't have my kids with me very often, so I have to show them off when I can. So bear with me. I know. Kids in videos. All right. Are you ready?
Yes.
Spread that cheese on here for me. Put it on. Put the cheese on there for me. Almost gonna put some on too. Okay, just sprinkle it on. That's it. That's it. Oh, look at him. You are going to town, Micah. I am so excited. Now we get to put the pepperonis on. Okay? I do. I know. You take some and put them on, and Oma takes some and put them on. Okay? Ready, set, go.
Let's go.
Ready, set, go. Tell everybody how old you are? How old are you?
2.
Very good. Very good. You tell Opa we're all done. He's going to have his pepperoni bread soon. Pressing the edge here. Pressing the edge here, just like you were working with real dough. It is real dough. It's just not my dough. All right, and there we go. 2 absolutely beautiful pepperoni breads. We're going to put them in a 350-degree oven, and I will show you exactly how beautiful they are when they come out. All right, remember the last video I made? And I made those delicious Amish chocolate chip cookies with the special ingredient, the nutmeg. Boy, were they good. I promised you that I would get my son to taste test for us, since Lou and I aren't eating sugar anymore. And it so happens the son happens to like these cookies too. So you get to meet the whole family right now, live, right here on Super 60.
All right, ready, buddy? Big bite, big bite. Well, that's pretty good.
Yeah, that's delicious.
You say that's pretty good. Is it good? You like it?
I would never guess there's nutmeg in here.
No, you would never guess that.
There's nutmeg in here?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, everybody, this is my whole precious family. Well, I have more precious family, but this is my precious family for the moment. This is my beautiful Sonia, and she just had this gorgeous little baby, Caleb, and he is so precious. This is my beautiful, handsome son, Joey. He's a veterinarian, takes care of all the puppies and the kitties around here. And this is my little Micah. Micah, can you say hi to everybody?
Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, good boy. Do you like Oma's cookies? Are they
You love
good?
these?
Oh, look at all that.
Mamas.
You want mamas? It's the same thing.
All right, I'm going to say bye-bye. Thank you so much for joining me here on Super 60. I was so happy to have it in my kitchen, which really wasn't my kitchen. I'm just wishful thinking, right? All right, I'll see you guys soon. I love you, and bye-bye, and
Wait,
order us.
Wait, bye.
Bye-bye.